Hi friends, welcome you all. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you can get update on time. So let's start this. We'll start with why do we need a network, right? And why actually we required a network, right? Before we're going into the what is network and what is router and what is switch, we just start with the basic discussion why actually we required a network, right? In a earlier days what happened is we used to talk regarding with the, if we go on old ages, right, we used to communicate with the help of pigeons, right? If you want to want to communicate with anyone, any of your relatives, will develop the postal system. After pigeons you will start, right, start sending the posts, letters, and you will put your post letters in your post office, and one postman will collect that letter from the post box, and then post office will decide where to send the letter, right? That was the initial way of communication. After that we have developed the computers and all, right? Once the computer will develop, office work will be very easy, right, for us, right? Before computing, before computers was not there, everything was is manually. You need to make your accounts manually in your books. Everything you need to write it down, you need to, paper and pens are involved, lot of bundles of files are there. But nowadays it is not happening, right? You have a soft copy of everything. But before the internet was emerged, right, before the network was emerged, computer was there. But if I want to send anything from one office to another office, or one department to another department, what I need to do is we need to write that into the floppy, or a cd-rom, or a pen drive, right? Suppose this is my one office, this is my headquarters, right? And this is my accounts department, which is in Delhi location. And this is my sales department, which is in maybe in Bangalore location, right? And this is in Mumbai. What happened is, if anything headquarters need to send to the accounts department, what they will do, they will write the information into the floppy drive or into the cd room, right? If network was not there, or maybe they have pen drive option, right? But what they need to do is they need to courier that thing, right, and send it to their accounts department. But what is the risk in that? Maybe your disk will be damaged in courier, maybe your data will be theft, right? Someone has taken your uh, give some bribe to your courier boy, your competitor, right? And they will take the cd, copy your data, and pack the cd again and deliver it to account department. You will never come to know what happened, right? And also it will money is required and time consuming, right? Data will not device or your floppy or cd will not deliver it to your department in a one day or in a hour, in a two. It will take some time, right? To overcome these kind of situations, we have developed the network. With the help of network, what happened is now we can send the data through email, right? No courier and nothing physical media is required. We directly send the through emails, right? We have a service provider nowadays. What service provider will did for us? We have taken one connection from here this side, one connection from this side, and we have created a virtual tunnel over we have created a private virtual tunnel over a public network, which will send my data encrypt by encrypting the data in this tunnel, and send deliver it to my different of department or a different branch office, right? So why do we need a network? To share the information for file sharing, resource sharing, and the application sharing. Suppose we have a one server installed in my headquarters, and I want to access that server. With the help of lease lines, with the help of connections from service providers, with the help of internet, we can share the information. Thanks guys, thank you for watching my video. Hope you will enjoy and you will get the knowledge from that. Also please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon so that you can get the update on time. Also I am giving my WhatsApp group link and Telegram channel link in a description, so you can join that so that you can get a lot more study material as well as my video update.